guys, Gina here from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm here today with a short unboxing video. This is for a company called Darn Good Yarn, and you may or may not have heard of them and heard of their bead subscription. It is pretty small, and I had never received it before, but in my never-ending quest to search and seek out bead subscriptions for you guys to feature on my channel, I decided to take a chance and go ahead and order one box and unbox it for you all. And we can see and decide whether or not we think it's worth the price. And, you can decide for yourself whether or not you like it. I won't decide that for you. I'll just give you the facts as I have them. So, again, this is called the Darn Good Beads of the Month Club. It is $10 a month. And the shipping for the lower US is $3.95, and all other shipping, international, etc., is $13. Now, I did find a coupon code online, so if you were to Google a coupon code for Darn Good Yarn, you may find one. I found a $3 off code, so this box here that we're going to unbox cost me a total of $10.95. So, I have opened it up, but I haven't actually opened up the package inside, so we can do that together. It's very, very light, and you'll see that right off the bat there isn't much in there, okay? So, without judging it based on that, let's just see what's inside and check it out. Now, with this subscription, it seems like they offer a project every month. So I'm going to say this is probably best for new beaders or somebody who doesn't have a lot of time and who wants to get a little surprise in the mail each month with enough supplies to finish a project. So let's check out what is on this information sheet. So it says Infinite Beginning, so it looks like this is the particular necklace that they are suggesting be made with the materials sent this month. And, it's only one strand of beads and some cord and then some crimp tubes and then your bindings to end the necklace. So very, very basic. And I'm just going to go ahead and say that for me, it's not something that I plan to continue. It was $10.95, definitely worth the risk for me to take on this and being able to share it with you guys in case you may have seen it and you're interested in it, or for anybody who is interested and wanted to check out a video before they took the leap and made the purchase to see if it's something they would like. And of course, this is only one box, so I don't know what the other boxes in the past have looked like. So if you want to judge it based on this, it just doesn't seem like a whole lot here. It is very nice that they did offer the instructions here. Looks like the instructions are very thorough on how to complete this necklace, which is good. Again, great for new beaders. And I will say that the company has a lot going for it as far as their mission. So if you read more about their company and the things that they do help out a lot of people, especially the ones that are involved in their manufacturing process. And the beads are only a small facet of what they do. It sounds like a lot of it has to do with yarn and textiles, and they do tend to do a lot of good things for the community, which is admirable. So I'm not knocking this company at all. I'm just sharing with you guys an honest unboxing of what I received this one particular month in September 2018. And yeah, it's just, for me in particular, it's not the right fit. I like to receive boxes with more items in it, and this just isn't doing it for me. For a regular price of $13.95 especially, it's not enough for me to invest in this box on a monthly basis. But, I'm not everybody, so you guys can form your own decision on that. These are very pretty beads. I'll do a close-up on it. So they're lovely color. A lot of turquoise and amber. And it doesn't give us any information on these particular beads, which would be nice. All it says in the instructions is that it includes 1 strand of beads. So it would be nice to just know, okay, are these check glass? You know, were they a gemstone, etc., etc. I like to have that kind of information. So without that, I'm just forming my own guess. And then we have our bead cord, which is a natural silk. And looks like they include a beading needle as well. And then of course a close-up on the crimp tubes, just a basic set of crimps. But all in all, I hope this helps you guys. I do look forward to making the project. I think it's going to turn out really pretty. I like the look of it in the picture. I like the instructions that they've included. So feel free to leave me a comment below this post and let me know your thoughts. You know, don't thumbs down the video if you don't like the box. That only hurts me. I mean, if you thumbs down it, do it because you don't like my presentation, you know, that's up to you. But anyway, I just wanted to make note of that because sometimes people would be like, oh, I thumbs down your video because I don't like the box. Okay, well, that doesn't really do anything except affect my channel. It doesn't have any bearing on the contents of the box. But you do you. Feel free to leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, or a question, and I have lots more beading fun to come, so I hope you stay with me. We have so many subscriptions coming in the month of September that should be rolling in the next few days. I have some ideas on some storage and organization videos I know some of you have been asking about, and plus I have more techniques and tutorials coming your way. So stay tuned, and happy beading, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.